Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to repost other people's posts onto your feed. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, how do we repost, or what tool are we going to use? Okay, we have this feature here in Instagram that is called the Instagram Repost that looks like this. Okay, this feature allows users to share another user's public post or reel directly to their own profile to a dedicated repost tab. Okay, now to repost, just tap on this repost button that got like a circular or rectangular arrows. Okay, we have here the like, comment, share, repost. So not every content you see right here will be reposted. Okay, it depends on the creator itself. Say for example, like this one, it doesn't have a repost button. Okay, this one as well. Okay, now to repost, it's pretty easy. Just tap on it. Once done, you can go ahead and add in your note if you want to. Okay, just tap on this little pop-up. Okay, then you can go ahead and add in your note. Tap on save. Now, where do we find our repost? So just go ahead over to your profile. And here we have the repost tab. Tap on it. As you can see, here you have your note as well. Now, if you want to delete a repost, just tap and hold on the repost itself. And then while holding the repost or post, just swipe your finger into the delete repost button. Okay, then just release. Wait for it and it's gone. Now, if you want to delete multiple reposts, just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on your activity, go to repost. Now tap on select and tap on the repost that you wanted to delete and hit on delete right here. Okay. For example, you want to post something and you don't want the repost button to appear. For example, this one. Okay. You don't want this one to appear. So what do we do? So just go ahead over to the top right once more. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and scroll down and find sharing and reuse right here. Okay. Just tap on it. Now, once done, you can go ahead and toggle this off, repost and post and reels. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.